Hey, so I want to do a quick video on how to use the Surface Duo's camera because, as maybe you've seen, it's really hard to make it function reliably. For example, if we are here doing a portrait mode, you may then want to flip it over to do a normal camera mode, and you're like, what the heck? Like, it's not working. And so you come over here and you think, well, maybe there's a button to flip it around to the back. Let's try that again. And oh, there it goes. There it goes. It's working here. That's great. But I want to do a selfie, and now it's flipping over, but it's just wait, it's not working. And then so maybe I'll close the app, and then I'll come to this side and see if I can get it. Maybe if I set the screen to this side first, then I can make it work. And you just have all these issues with trying to make the camera work. So I'm going to show you the right way to use the Surface Duo camera. So if you ever want to use your Surface camera and you're having issues switching from portrait to landscape mode on it, let me show you how easy it can be. So your phone's completely off. Say you want to turn on quickly and take a picture. So just unlock, double tap to get into the camera, and then while you're in the camera, the only thing you have to remember is to flip it quickly. Because if you flip it quickly, it will register that it needs to flip. That's the mechanism. It took me forever to figure out that that was what the problem was. So as long as you're flipping the device quickly, it will switch from front to back. If you're just using it slowly and then go like this and flipping it over and even trying to tap this screen, it's not going to work. You're still going to be on that front camera. Or if you just spin it slowly to the back side, oh, it looks like it took that time. But if you're operating just kind of like nonchalantly, it's not going to switch the camera. So the trick is every time you're going to switch from front to back, just spin it quickly. And as long as you do that, you actually can get really reliable camera function out of this device, but it takes a little bit of figuring out in order to do that. So hopefully this is helpful for you Surface Duo fans out there, and we'll see you on the next video.